Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'll show you how to enjoy secure, enhanced online privacy by setting up NPV Tunnel VPN with a V2Ray configuration. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open the Google Play Store and search for NPV Tunnel VPN. Find the correct app in the results and install it on your phone. Next, you'll need to create a V2Ray account. Open any web browser and search for UDP Custom. Select the official UDP Custom website. On the website, tap the menu button at the top right corner and choose the V2Ray option. Pick your preferred server location from the list, then select the specific server you want to use. Click the Next button and copy the generated V2Ray server configuration. Now, open the NPV Tunnel VPN app and launch it. At the bottom of the screen, tap the Servers button. Tap the plus icon to add a new server. Select Import from Clipboard to paste your copied V2Ray configuration. Choose the V2Ray config option when prompted. Tap the newly imported server file to select it. Return to the home screen. Finally, tap Connect to establish your secure private VPN connection. And that's it! You're now set up with NPV Tunnel VPN and ready to browse with enhanced security and privacy. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more useful content, and join our Telegram and WhatsApp channels. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching.